This door hinge adjustment kit can help fix misaligned doors or sagging doors. It comes with 5 different sizes. This will fit around your hinge. It has a very sturdy and very long handle to give you the power you need to make subtle adjustments. The carry case is a nice touch. I like how everything has a spot. You could easily carry it to the job site or put this in your toolbox. It does come with instructions. And the handle itself has soft, grippable, molded rubber. They really thought of all the details for this product. Did you catch the problem? Here's a quick demonstration after I make a few adjustments. I'll give it a try.
Much better.